guess what? Ta-da! So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 that I just got, and this is one of the greatest moments in my life. I've been waiting for this time to come, and finally it is here. So before going for this Pocket 4, I was looking forward to get a Pocket 3 until the Pocket 4 dropped few months ago. So I decided to go for this one instead of the Pocket 3 because looking at some cool features of this Pocket 4, I've decided to go for this one. One of the things that got me was the built-in memory card that the Pocket 4 has already. So you do not need any external memory card before you start shooting with the Pocket 4. So there's really, really cool, features that the Pocket 4 got. So guys, today I'm going to unbox this camera and then we're going to find out what we have inside this. I'm very, very happy and super excited for this moment to come. So finally, I've got my DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Guess what? I'm super excited. Okay. So sometime now I stopped shooting because I was looking forward to get a camera or a good phone. Though the phone I was just shooting with, I got rid of it because of one or two reasons. So finally, I've gotten this camera that I'm going to resume my traveling vlog. So definitely we're going to explore Ghana, beyond Ghana, Africa, and beyond Africa. Okay, so that is one of the greatest moments of my time. Getting this camera is really, really one of the things that I've been looking forward to. So guys, without wasting much time, I'm going to unbox this camera. Okay, so that we will look at what we have inside. All right. Yes, let's tear this up. Let's stand. Okay, so this, I think this is the carry-on bag and pouch. So there's this full pouch. Osmo. There's the pouch, carry-on bag pouch. So it's it's cute, very nice. Plus, kind of video, small spaces inside. That's amazing. Let's be holding like this. See. All right, to the big boy. Inside this one. Okay, so there's the main bag for the Pocket 4. So I'm just going to open it, see what we have inside. Ta-da! So remind you, this is the creator combo. Okay, so it comes with everything inside it. Alrighty, so this is the main camera. Ooh, it's very cute. Guys, this is very cute. So this is the main camera, as you can see. So it has the memory card slot here. It has the gear as well. Ooh, nice. So, let me just turn this off. All right. So it has the power button right here, and this is the screen. That's how it looks like. Okay, so to don't know. All right. So you can just cover this way. It's kind of a magnetic. So once you're removing it, you can feel the magnetic force in this. Ooh, that is amazing. Turn it on. So that's it. Wow. So I'll just do the setup later on. So guys, this is it. So guys, there's it for the Pocket 4. Finally, I have it unboxed, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you if you ever use this, let me know, and let me know about the cool features, the things that you like about this new, series of the DJI Osmo Pocket cameras. Okay, so moving forward, I'll be shooting with this camera. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do me a favor, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all future uploads. And one thing, like, comment, and share so that we can grow as a family together. So help me hit 500 subscribers. Basically, I'm around 457. So please help me hit that 500 subscribers in no time. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And then, I will do the setup later on and let you know how this camera works. So there's the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Thank you for watching, and until next time.